What stood out to me is that it was very easy to use.
Onboarding was super smooth and a really great experience as well.
It was like a day later, we implemented it through the rest of our company, and it was pretty immediate. Like I don't even know if we had internal communications about like, hey, this is this new tool. We just like implemented it and just started using it. And it's just so intuitive that people figured it out right away.
We followed Jonathan's directions. We made sure the managers really got involved, and then it kind of just took off on its own.
And I see it, I see engineers using it. I see product people using it. I see sales, CS, everybody kind of uses it, which, is something that I'm super proud of.
When we have new hires and we explain what assembly is to them, people pick up on it pretty quickly just because there are so many people who've been using it for so long that it's just become part of the culture. Is like, before the month is up, make sure you sent out your pickle points.
So being able to have a tool that is still working day in and day out with me not having to really have somebody, tending to it is really exciting, because at least we know there is this layer of culture, and recognition that is continuously happening. And I think it's so important. Definitely is kind of one of our cornerstones when it comes to culture.